I'll show you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of RK Outdoor Adventures. Today we have quite the crew. Of course, always the beautiful Kimmy.
Boom!
And then we have my sister Laura Bender.
Boom!
And then we got...
Wait, we're twins!
Then we got... Boom! Aaron Bender. Look at these twins. Yeah. Boom. Yep.
Oh, boom!
There we go. Today we're going out of Dempsey's launch ramp
Sandusky Bay.
in Sandusky Bay. We're going to try. It's really choppy out there, so we can't hit the main lake today. But out in the bay, we're going to try the bridge, the Sandusky Bay Bridge. See what happens. We're going to throw some walleye. Some walleye. All right, well, anyways, here we go. Boom, baby, let's do this! Laura, you gotta take this. Someone's gotta take it. We cannot go into that wall.
Well, what am I gonna do? Wait, let go.
Ah, walleye number one. Sandusky Bay, baby.
Yeah.
Rolling.
Yeah!
Woo! Here we go.
Sandusky, Ohio. Woo!
You alright? Ready? Here he comes. He's drawing it. Fall roll, baby. 2024, Sandusky Bay. Woo! Walleye number 5, fall roll, Sandusky Bay. Woo! All right, ladies and gentlemen, we trolled around Sandusky Bay, right around the bridge area. We got 6 nice walleye, bandits. Our leads were 32, 25, and 20. We caught them pretty much on every lead, 32 being the best lead. Blue chrome, purple, and what was it, yellow, pink, purple color, I don't know what the hell it was. Anyways, all right, to be continued. Tomorrow's another day. Boom, baby, boom, boom, boom. All right, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today's Saturday. We are back at it on Lake Erie, but we're going back to Sandusky Bay by the bridge to throw some bandits around there. I have the same usual suspects with me today. Boom, everybody.
Boom! Boom!
Boom. Try that again.
Let's go!
Boom. Here we go. Boom, baby. big one.
It's on. You're down here hiding.
You're ready, guys.
You're right in the middle.
Walleye number 2, Fall Bro, Sandusky Bay.
3 big sheephead.
Big.
All right, number 3 walleye. Woo! Fall bro, baby. Fish on. Get it, Kimmy. Get it. It's a big one.
Yep.
I'm trying to. You'll see that.
Just get your hands up.
Oh! Another big old sheephead. Woo! All right.
Get the camera on.
Yeah. This is not a sheephead. It's a fucking serious walleye. Oh, yeah.
Walleye number 4, Fall Bro, Sandusky Bay. Boom!
For 5 giants. 7 pounds, 8 ounces. 8 ounces. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are out of here. 5 walleye, 5 nice walleye. Bandits 32 back did the trick. Blue chrome was pretty hot, and some other custom colors I don't know the name of. Doesn't matter. All right, thanks for watching. Boom, baby.